Worx Power Share. Same battery, expandable power. The only battery system versatile enough to power our whole family of 20 volt, 40 volt, and 80 volt tools for your lawn, garden, home, and crafting projects with the same battery. The one-of-a-kind stackable technology allows you to use the same battery for your 20 volt drill, 40 volt blower, 80 volt mower, and in every other Worx and Worx Nitro Power Share product we make. Choose the right amount of power output for every project and move between 20 volt, 40 volt, and 80 volt products with ease without investing in a whole new battery system. Want even more power? Power Share Pro high-capacity batteries significantly increase your productivity, performance, and runtime to get your job done better and more efficiently. Charge quicker, last longer, do more. Same battery, expandable power.